Luxury Sale House Tour in California, Los Angeles, the ultimate dream home. Are you ready to step inside the ultimate dream home in Los Angeles? Join us on this exclusive luxury house tour and experience the epitome of style and sophistication. Welcome to our exclusive luxury house tour of one of the most magnificent properties in California. Located in the heart of Los Angeles, this home is the epitome of opulence and elegance. From the moment you step inside, you will be transported to a world of luxury and comfort. As you walk through the front door, you will be greeted by a grand foyer that leads into the expansive living room. The room is bathed in natural light, and the high ceilings give it an airy, spacious feel. The living room flows seamlessly into the formal dining area, which is perfect for hosting dinner parties and entertaining guests. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, with top-of-the-line appliances and ample counter space. The adjacent family room is perfect for cozy nights, with a fireplace and comfortable seating. The bedroom suites are equally impressive, with luxurious amenities such as walk-in closets, spa-like bathrooms, and stunning views of the city. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive luxury house tour in California, Los Angeles. If you're interested in learning more about this property or other luxury homes in the area, please contact us for more information. What's your favorite feature of this ultimate dream home in Los Angeles? Let us know in the comments below. Luxury Sale House Tour in California, Los Angeles, the ultimate dream home.